Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, we're going to show you how to refund Game Pass in Roblox. First, open your browser and then go to roblox.com. Now click on Roblox on the top right and then go to Roblox. From here, you will get to see your transactions. Now select Purchases as type of transaction. Here, you will get to see the items that you have purchased. Now click on the gear icon on the top right and then click on Help. From here, click on I need help with my account. Now go through all the options here and check if any of it is helpful for you. If not, then go back. And then check the sections here. If you can't find anything, then click on Contact Us on the bottom. From this page, scroll through and check if anything is useful. If not, then scroll back up. From here, click on Support Form. Now just put in all your information, like your username, your first name, your email address, and then confirm your email address again. Now, select the type of your device. After that, select the type of help category. From here, select Purchases using Robux. Now on the next section, choose the type of item you purchased. After that, describe your issue in the box. And once it's done, just click on Submit. And then just wait. After a few days, they will contact you and resolve your issue. And that's it. Thanks for watching and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.